Almost there, keep it steady. Coming up on the ridge. Looks like these rocks traveled quite a way to get stuck in here. God, this thing is stuck. Oh, almost got it. Yeah, come on, finally. Oh, that's heavy.
Keep coming, little more. Stop there. The cables are holding. Keep it steady. Copy that.
Moving up. Keep it steady. Down a little more. Stop. Hold it right there. Perfect. Secure the locks. It's in place. Let's chain it up. All right, Murdoch, let's get you in there. This is it. All right, Thomas, let's hear it. Yeah, that's the sound of a working engine.
Don't worry, Murdoch. We'll get you back to your best.
All right, just a bit more. Got it. Yeah, that's heavy. Look at all that dust. That feels good.
Go. 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 Go.
They
All
say
right,
legends
straps under.
never die.
Connect to the
They
hoist.
just fall into a deep sleep somewhere.
Secure the
Today,
hook.
I
Give
went
it a
in
test.
search
It's
of one
solid.
such
All
legend.
right, together. Pull.
Traversing rocky
It's
trails.
moving. Keep pulling.
Under the scorching sun of the desolate
Just a little further.
canyon.
We
I
got it.
finally found
Careful
him.
now.
Murdoch, Thomas's colossal Class 9F friend, now lay alone, buried amidst rocks and oblivion. Looking into his eyes, you could feel the sadness of decades of silence. The once glorious orange peel was now just rust. But we didn't come here to witness his decay. We came to awaken him. Heavy machinery was mobilized. Cables tightened, straining to lift hundreds of tons of history from the ground. Murdoch emerged from his desert grave, beginning his journey home. A long journey to rediscover himself. Back at the workshop, electric lights replaced the
Come on, you old thing. Oh, finally. Just a little more. Ooh. Come on, you old bastard. Move. Just a little more. Damn it, it's not going. Yes. Oh, finally. After all that work. Done.
The bolts are out. This chassis is finally clear. Good progress. Come on. One more. There, got it. All right, almost got it. There, now to wipe it down. The contrast is incredible. Yeah, look at that shine against the rust. Restoration in progress. Perfect. It's completely smooth. I've finished grinding and sanding the piece, and now I can accept the results of the recent sequence.
harsh sunlight. Now, the real work began. First came the shedding of the burden. The rocks and desert sand that had clung to the chassis for years were removed little by little. And then, water. High-pressure water ripped through the hardened mud. Look at this pink chemical foam. Seeping into every crevice. Dissolving grease and dirt. It felt like Murdoch was getting his first bath in half a century. As the foam washed away, the powerful mechanical lines gradually emerged. Though still rusty, his body was beginning to breathe again, but cleaning alone wasn't enough. To revive a heart of stone, we needed deeper intervention. This was a major operation. Stubborn bolts, corroded drive shafts, everything had to be removed. The hammers, chisels, and grinders echoed like the beating of a
You can see the shift here, the old oxidation meeting the new metal. We've ground it perfectly flat. The scars are now glorious.
All right, hold it steady. Just that's a little further. Got it. Perfect. The system is complete and ready. Perfection. Perfect. That's a seamless repair. The finish is exactly what we wanted.
Factory. Look at these sparks, they were blasting away the dead skin, revealing the gleaming bare steel underneath. We cut away the rotten parts, welded the wounds with high temperature flames. New parts like pistons, gears, and bearings were assembled with absolute precision. Murdoch was gradually regaining his strength, and now came the most magical moment, the transformation. A grey primer coat formed the foundation, concealing the scars. Then, the legendary ochre orange paint was applied. Every line became glossy and brilliant under the lights. It wasn't just paint, it was restoring his identity. A black smoke box, subtle green pinstripes, and
well, we finally did it. The primer is complete. It looks incredible. What a milestone.
Almost there. Just need to secure it.
Perfect.
Looks great.
After everything, it's finally perfect. A true masterpiece. Remarkable, isn't he? Absolutely pristine.
Perfect. This is exactly the Murdoch ochre shade we needed. Looks just right.
Most importantly, the Murdoch nameplate. He was no longer an anonymous pile of metal. The once gloomy face had been repainted. His eyes brightened, and a smile returned to his lips. The final stages, such as polishing the wheel rims, assembling the cockpit interior, and lubricating, were also completed. Everything was ready. The flame in the combustion chamber flared up. Steam began to hiss through the safety valves. The enormous wheels
Tighten this valve here.
click, click.
Checking the
Murdoch
pipes.
slowly rolled,
And the
curtailing
levers are
into
set.
the darkness
Good,
of the
stand
tunnel
by for
toward
pressure
the light
test.
of the outside world. From ruins in the desert to a magnificent mechanical masterpiece. The legend had truly returned. Welcome back.